Hi everyone, welcome to
amazing channel of brilliant Qatar.
In a circuit, cells can be connected in series or in parallel. So in which case we'll be getting more current, a maximum current.
halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.
Good evening to all. Hi, good evening. Welcome to the fabulous world of biology. So this is the second day of our MCQ squad, and now you all got motivated and inspired by our chemistry class. Now we are going to start our biology with the chapter control and coordination. Let's start the class. Are you ready? Okay. Fill the comment box with all your correct answers. Okay, let's start the class. Okay, see the first question for you and start commenting the correct answers now itself. See, the first question for you. Electrical impulse travels in a neuron from. Electrical impulse travels in a neuron from. Here are the options. Here 4 options are given. Let's see which is the correct answer, correct option. See, dendrite to axon, axonal end, cell body, dendrite, axon, axonal end, dendrite, cell body, axon, axonal end, or axonal end or axon, cell body to dendrite. Which is the correct option? How the nerve impulse travels in a neuron. Let's see. See, in a neuron, start commenting the correct answers. Yeah. Oh, very good. All are commenting the correct answers. Very good, very good. Let's see. Let's see. In a neuron, okay, in a neuron, okay, see, dendrite, dendron you can see, the cell body, axon and axon endings. Okay, myelin sheath. Okay, here you can see how the nerve impulse travels. The nerve impulse always travels. The nerve impulse always travels from dendrite to dendron to cell body to axon, then axon endings. See, this direction. This is the direction through which the nerve impulse always travels. Dendrite to dendron to cell body to axon, then axonal endings. So which is the correct option? Yeah, very good, very good. Option C. Option C is the correct answer. So the first answer for the first option is the option C. Okay. Now let's do the second one. Second question. In a synapse, chemical signal is transmitted from. Again from that nerve impulse transmission. In a synapse, chemical signal is transmitted from. Here you can see how the nerve impulse transmission happens. Okay, see. Here you can see the neuron with myelin sheath and another neuron. Okay. How the nerve impulse transmission happens? Okay. Here, in this two neuron, okay, in between these two neuron, there is a gap, there is a microscopic gap. What is it called? The microscopic gap is called a synapse. Okay, the microscopic gap is called a synapse. And this, okay, here from one neuron to another neuron here. Before the synapse, the neuron is there. That is presynaptic neuron. What is it? That is the presynaptic neuron. Okay. Then after the synapse, the neuron is there. That is postsynaptic neuron. Okay, so in the first question we have learned that the nerve impulse transmits only from one direction, that is from dendrite to cell, axon to axon endings, right? So here you can see the axon endings. When the impulse reaches the axon endings, here you can see the synaptic knob, right? Here you can see the synaptic knob. Inside the synaptic knob, synaptic vesicles are there, right? Synaptic vesicles are there. Inside the synaptic vesicle, there will be neurotransmitters. Okay, inside the synaptic vesicle, there will be neurotransmitters. When the nerve impulse as electrical signals reaches the synaptic vesicles, it will break. It will break and the neurotransmitters will be released in the junction called the synapse. And that will stimulate the postsynaptic neuron. That will stimulate the postsynaptic neuron. So the postsynaptic neuron will get stimulated by the neurotransmitter. So here is the question. In a synapse, chemical signal is transmitted from. How the chemical signal is transmitted from? The chemical signal is transmitted from the axonal end of one neuron to the dendritic end of another neuron. Very good. All are commenting the correct answers. Very good. Okay, here you can see the from postsynaptic neuron, from the axonal endings of postsynaptic neuron, presynaptic neuron to the dendritic end of the postsynaptic neuron, the nerve impulse will be transmitted. So all are commenting the correct answers. Very good. Keep it up. Okay. So it is option D. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. Let's go to the third question. Okay. Emma. Very good. Amal Ben. Yeah, keep it up. Sri Krishna Kumar. Okay. Anne Mary. Yeah. Okay. So all are commenting the correct answers. Let's see the third question. Okay. Same question. In a neuron, the conversion of electrical signal to a chemical signal occurs in. Same part. The question from the same part. In a neuron, the conversion of electrical signal to a chemical signal occurs in. Where it occurs in? Okay, comment your answers. Comment your answers. Now we have solved two questions related with this. The conversion of electrical signal to chemical signal occurs in. Very good, very good. It is axonal end. It is axonal end where the electrical signal is converted to chemical signal. Very good. All are commenting the correct answer. It is axonal end. Now let's see the next question. Okay. Which is the correct sequence of the components in a reflex arc? Which is the correct sequence of the components in a reflex arc? So what is a reflex arc? Tell me what is a reflex arc? Reflex arc is the pathway of reflex action. Reflex arc is the pathway of reflex action. How the reflex action happens? Let's see the pathway. Okay, from sense organs. Okay, sense organs, what will be there? Sensory receptors will be there. Sensory receptors will be there. From sensory receptors to sensory neuron. Sensory neuron which carry the impulses to spinal cord. Which carry the impulses to spinal cord. Spinal cord is the center of reflex action. So here sensory receptors to sensory neuron, and from sensory neuron to spinal cord. Okay, from spinal cord it is carried by the motor neuron. So which neuron carry the impulses from spinal cord? By motor neuron. And motor neuron carry the messages to muscles, okay, or effector organs. It carry the impulses to muscles or effector organs. Here you can see sensory receptors. From sensory receptors to sensory neuron to spinal cord, and from spinal cord to motor neuron, and from motor neuron it goes to muscles. This is the pathway of reflex action. And what is this pathway called? It is called as reflex arc. It is called as reflex arc. So, from this, which is the correct option? Which is the correct sequence of components in a reflex arc? Which is the correct option here? Okay, very good, very good. All are commenting the correct answer. Receptors to sensory neuron to spinal cord, then motor neuron, last muscles. It will reach us to muscles. Correct. Very good. Okay. Let's do the next one. Okay. Rahul Vijay. Okay, very good, very good. All are commenting the correct answers. Okay. Very good. Let's do the next question. Which of the following statements are true? Which of the following statements are true? You have to tick the correct statement. Okay, let's see. Sudden action in response to something in the environment is called reflex action. Is that correct? Sudden action in response to something in the environment, that is called reflex action. Yes, it is reflex action. So it is the definition of reflex action. Reflex action means it is the sudden response, right? Reflex action means it is the sudden response. So this is correct answer. It is the correct answer. Now, sensory neurons carry signals from spinal cord to muscles. Is sensory neuron carry messages to spinal cord to muscles? We have learned now. Which neuron carry messages from spinal cord to muscles? It is motor neurons, right? It is motor neurons. So, this statement is wrong. It is a wrong statement. See the third one. Motor neurons carry signals from receptors to the spinal cord. Motor neurons carry signals from receptors to spinal cord. No, it is sensory neuron. So, this statement also wrong. And see the fourth one, the path through which signals are transmitted from a receptor to muscle or a gland is called a reflex arc. See the fourth statement. It is correct, right? We have learned in the previous question what is the definition of reflex arc. What is the definition of reflex arc? It is the pathway. Okay, it is the pathway through which the impulse transmission happens. So, it is the pathway of impulse, the signals transmitted from receptor to muscles. So, this statement also correct. So, we have got first and fourth statement corrected and the second and third one wrong. So, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Comment your answers fast. Okay. So it is option C. Option C. How many of you got option C? Let me check. It is not option D. It is option C. Okay. Very good. Oh, Shilpa Chandran, very good, very good. Rahul Vijay, Prasuja, okay, very good. Vidya Lakshmi, Samir. Okay, it is option C. It is option C. First and fourth one is correct, and these two options are wrong. Okay, keep commenting. Okay, now next question about our brain. See, which of the following statements are true about brain? Which of the following statements are true about brain? See here, the main thinking part of brain is the hindbrain. We know that there are three parts, the brain, okay? The three parts are there for brain, that is forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Okay, from this, the main thinking part of brain is hindbrain. Is that correct? Is that correct? No. The main thinking part of brain is forebrain. So this statement is wrong. Centers of hearing, smell, memory, sight, etc. are located in the forebrain. Is that statement correct? Yes, it is correct. The centers of imagination, thought, memory, all these are located in the forebrain. So this statement is correct. Now, involuntary actions like salivation, vomiting and blood pressure are controlled by the medulla in the hindbrain. Is that statement correct? Involuntary actions are controlled by medulla in the hindbrain. Yes, medulla controls all the involuntary actions in the brain. This statement is correct. Now, cerebellum does not control posture and balance of the body. Cerebellum does not control this posture and balance of body. No, it is wrong. Cerebellum controls. It is the function of cerebellum. Controlling body posture and balance is the function of cerebellum. So this statement is wrong. So which are the statement which is correct? That is option 2 and 3. These two statements are correct, but option 1 and 4th is wrong. So which is the correct option? Again, option C, that is option C, that is second and third statements are correct. Okay, second and third statements are correct. So again, yeah, very good. Anne Mary, yeah, very good. Very good. Rahul Vijay again. Okay, very good. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Keep commenting the answers. Let's see the next question. The spinal cord originates from. Okay, the spinal cord originates from. The spinal cord is the continuation of our hindbrain. Okay, it originates from. It is a direct question. It originates from medulla. Okay, it originates from the medulla of hindbrain. Option B. Option B. How many of you commented option B? Okay, Samir, very good. It is option B. Option B is the correct one. The spinal cord originates from medulla. Okay. Now let's check the next question. Okay. The movement of shoot towards light. Another very easy question. The movement of shoot towards light is. See, here are the options: geotropism, hydrotropism, chemotropism and phototropism. So what is geotropism? Let's check. Geotropism. What is geotropism? Movement of planet plant parts in response to gravitational force. Okay, movement of plant parts in response to gravitational force is called geotropism. Okay, gravity or gravitational force. Movement of plant parts towards the Earth's gravity, that is called a geotropism. Next one is hydrotropism. Hydrotropism. The name itself, it is there. Hydro, something connected with water, right? Hydro, something connected with water. So, movement of plant parts in response to water or moisture is called a hydrotropism. It is related with water or moisture. It is called a hydrotropism. Third one, that is chemotropism. Chemotropism. Chemotropism is the movement of plant parts in response to certain chemicals. Okay, movement of plant parts in response to chemicals is called a chemotropism. So, what is left now? Option D, phototropism. The name itself, answer is there. Photo, something connected with light, right? Photo is related with light. So, phototropism. Phototropism is the correct option. Option D is the correct option. The movement of shoot towards light is phototropism. So, all are commenting the correct answers. Very good. Prasuja. Okay. Very good. Comment your answers fast. Okay, it is option D, phototropism. Let's do the next question. Are you ready? Okay, so the main function of abscisic acid in plant is to. The main function of abscisic acid in plant is to. What is the function of abscisic acid? We have learned many plant hormones in grade 10, right? So, in that, here, the function of abscisic acid, they are asking the function of abscisic acid, okay? Now, see, increase in the length of cells, okay, increase in the length of cells. Which hormone helps to increase the length of cells? Any idea? It is auxin, right? It is auxin, okay. It is auxin which helps to increase the length of cells and promote cell division. Which hormone helps to promote cell division? Which hormone helps to promote cell division? Can you comment? Comment. Which hormone helps to promote cell division? Cytokinins. It is cytokinins which promote, okay, which promote cell division. Cytokinins. And which inhibit growth? That is abscisic acid. Okay, the function of abscisic acid is to inhibit growth and also wilting of leaves. Wilting of leaves and inhibiting growth is the function of abscisic acid. And which promotes growth of stem? It is gibberellins. Okay, the plant hormone which helps it to promote the growth of stem, that is gibberellins. Gibberellins. So, which hormone inhibits? Which hormone inhibits growth of plant? That is abscisic acid. So, the correct option is option C. So, how many of you are commenting? Yeah, very good. Prasuja, very good. It is abscisic acid which inhibit growth in plants. Okay, abscisic acid inhibit growth in plants. Okay, now let's see the next question. Okay, iodine is necessary for the synthesis of which hormone? Iodine is necessary for the synthesis of which hormone? Here are the options: adrenaline, thyroxine, auxin, insulin. So which hormone, for the synthesis of which hormone we need iodine? As you all know, it is thyroxine. It is thyroxine. It's a direct question. See, how many of you got the correct answer? Very good. All are commenting the correct answer. It is thyroxine. Okay, thyroxine is released by thyroid gland. Okay, it is produced by thyroid gland. It is produced by thyroid gland. And for the production of thyroxine, thyroid gland need iodine. Okay, thyroid gland need iodine for the production of thyroxine. If iodine is lack in our body, or we have iodine deficiency in our body, what will happen? Thyroid gland will struggle to synthesis thyroxine. Thyroid gland will struggle to synthesis thyroxine. That time it will swells up. The thyroid gland will swells. The neck will swell. You can see the swollen neck. Okay, the swollen neck or thyroid gland will swell. This condition is called a goiter. Okay, what is this condition called? A goiter. Or you can, this question can be asked in another way. This question can be asked in another way, that which or goiter will happen in due to lack of which hormone? Okay, lack of which hormone or lack of which element? That is, which element it is? That is iodine. And which hormone? That is thyroxine. Okay, thyroxine. Clear? I think it is clear for all of you. So the correct option is option B. So all are commenting. Yeah, very good. Yeah, it is Mrigaja Jagdi. Okay, Jagtap. Okay, very good. Okay, now see the next question. Choose the incorrect statement about insulin. Okay, see the incorrect statement about insulin. Here are the option. It is produced from pancreas. It regulates growth and development of the body. It regulates blood sugar level. Insufficient secretion of insulin will cause diabetes. So you have to select the incorrect statement. It is very easy. We have learnt it. It's a direct question. So which is the incorrect statement among this? Which is the incorrect statement? All are commenting. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Very good. So it's an easy question. That's why all the comments are coming like, okay, see, which is the incorrect statement? It is option B. It regulates growth and development of the body. Okay, it is the incorrect statement. So option B is the correct one. All other three option you see, all other three option, it is produced from pancreas. Correct, it is produced from pancreas. It regulates blood sugar level. Yes, it regulates blood sugar level. Insufficient secretion of insulin will cause diabetes. Yes, insufficient secretion of insulin will cause the disease diabetes, because insulin is the hormone which reduces the blood sugar level in our body. So lack of insulin will cause high blood sugar level, that is diabetes. So all these three statements are correct. All these three statements are correct about insulin, but B, option B is not the correct option, not the correct option for insulin. So it is option B. It regulates growth and development of the body. Okay, very good. So many D's are coming, like multiple. Triple D, Rayan. Okay, so the next question. See See here, you have to select the mismatched pair. Okay, you have to select the mismatched pair. Remember, it should be the mismatched pair. Okay, not the matched pair. Okay, see, adrenaline, pituitary gland, estrogen, ovary, testosterone, testis, thyroxine, thyroid gland, which is the mismatched pair in this. Mismatched pair. Waiting for your answer. It is very easy question. Very, very easy question. Yeah. Very good, very good, very good. Yeah, it is adrenaline pituitary gland. This is the mismatched pair. It is the mismatched pair. Adrenaline, okay. Adrenaline is secreted by adrenal gland. Okay. Adrenaline is secreted by adrenal gland, not by the pituitary gland. Okay, not by the pituitary gland. Here estrogen, okay, estrogen is secreted by ovary and testosterone is secreted by testis. Thyroxine is secreted by thyroid gland. All three options are correct, but the first one is the mismatched one. Adrenaline is secreted by pituitary, that is the mismatched one. Adrenaline is secreted by adrenal gland. Adrenaline is secreted by adrenal gland. Very good. Good response. Okay. So let's do the next one. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. So how is this chapter? This chapter is so easy now, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? This chapter is so easy, right? Control and coordination. The chapter is so easy. Yes. Yes. Yeah. This chapter is so easy chapter, right? Okay. Okay, now see. The growth of tendril in pea plants is due to. Okay. Yeah, very good. Good response are coming. Okay, now do the next question. The growth of tendril in pea plants is due to. Okay, the growth of tendril in pea plants is due to. See here, the effect of light, the effect of gravity, the rapid cell divisions in tendrilar cells that away from the support, or rapid cell divisions in tendrilar cells in contact with the support. Okay, come on, comment the correct answer. The growth of tendril in pea plants is due to. The growth of tendril in pea plants is due to. Okay, very good, very good. All are commenting the, it is, okay, see here. It is due to the rapid cell division. It is due to the rapid cell division. But see, you have to very careful about. It is not due to the or not in the place of contact with the support. It is away from the contact. Okay. Rapid cell division in tendrilar cells are that are away from the support. Okay. That are away from the support. Rapid cell division only, but it should be away from the support, not in contact with the support. It is away from the support. So which is the correct option? Option C. Rapid cell division in tendrilar cells that are away from the support. Okay. So here the growth in tendril in pea plants is due to. It is not due to the effect of light, not due to gravity. It is due to rapid cell division. But one thing you have to remember, it is the rapid cell division that are happening to the cells that are away from the support. So the correct option is option C. Okay, how many of you got option C? Okay, Samir, very good. Shabnur, very good. Emma, very good, very good. It is option C. Okay, option C. Now, let's do the next one. The growth of pollen tube towards ovule is due to. The growth of pollen tubes towards ovule. That is also very easy, straight question. Okay, direct question. It is a direct question. The growth of pollen tubes towards ovule is due to. Here it is given hydrotropism, geotropism, chemotropism, phototropism. It is a very good example for chemotropism. Okay. Like one word question it may ask, what is an can you write an example for chemotropism in plants? That is growth of pollen tube towards ovule. It is chemotropism. The correct option is chemotropism. Okay, it is chemotropism. Next question. How many of you commented the? Okay, all are commenting the correct answers. Very good. Very good. Yeah. The next question. The movement of sunflower in accordance with the path of sun. The movement of sunflower in accordance with the path of sun is due to. The name itself it is there. Sunflower. Okay. Sunflower. It is related with what in the option? See here. Phototropism, chemotropism, geotropism, hydrotropism. It is. Okay, next question. Comment your answers fast. This is a very easy question. Comment your answers. See, the movement of sunflower in accordance with the path of sun is due to. It is sunflower. Sunflower. Very good. It is phototropism. Option A. It is phototropism. Very good. The movement of sunflower in accordance with the path of sun is due to phototropism. It is option A. Okay, let's do the next one. Involuntary actions in the body are controlled by. Involuntary actions in the body are controlled by. Here, medulla in the forebrain, medulla in the hindbrain, medulla in the midbrain, medulla in the hindbrain, medulla in the spinal cord. Here are 4 options given. See, we have already learned that 3 parts of brain, right? 3 parts of brain. That is forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Okay. Forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. In that, forebrain controls all the voluntary actions and thinking, thought, imagination, memory, etc. Midbrain is a relay station which sent messages to mainly the visual and hearing areas. And hindbrain, see here, hindbrain is the area of all involuntary actions. All involuntary actions are controlled by our hindbrain. All involuntary actions are controlled by our hindbrain. So, which is the correct option here? Very good. All are commenting the correct answer. It is medulla. Okay. It is medulla in the hindbrain. It is medulla in the hindbrain. Involuntary actions in body are controlled by medulla in the hindbrain. Very good. Okay. Let's do the next question. Shafiq Khadir Ahmed, Prasuja, very good. Next question is there. Which of the following is not an involuntary action? Very easy question. Very easy question. Which of the following is not an involuntary action? That means it should be a voluntary action, right? It should be a voluntary action. Which of the following is not an involuntary action? Which are the option given? Vomiting, heartbeat, salivation, chewing. It's a very direct question. It is very easy question. Which is an involuntary, which is a voluntary action here, which is not an involuntary action. Which is not an involuntary action. Yeah, it is option D, chewing. See here, vomiting, salivation, heartbeat, all are coming under involuntary action. But chewing is a voluntary action. So, which of the following is not an involuntary action? That is option D, chewing. Okay, option D, chewing. Very good. Yeah, keep commenting. Very good. Okay, let's do the next question. Okay, now, a doctor advised a person to take an injection of insulin. A doctor advised a person to take an injection of insulin. Because, what is the reason? Okay. See, we know that insulin is secreted by, okay, insulin is the hormone secreted by pancreas. Pancreas. Insulin is secreted by the gland pancreas. And what is the function of insulin? We have learnt it in the previous question. No? What is the function of insulin? To reduce the blood sugar level. Reduce the blood sugar level is the function of insulin. So here the question is, a doctor advised a person to take an injection of insulin because the options, his blood pressure was low. No, it is not at all related with blood pressure. His heart was beating slowly. That is also not related with insulin. He was suffering from goiter. No, his sugar level in blood was high. Yes. So, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Option D. Option D. Okay. Option D. His sugar level in blood was high. That's why the doctor advised him to take the insulin injection. Okay. Insulin reduces the blood sugar level. Okay, very good. Very good response. Okay, let's do the next question. The hormone which increase fertility in male is called. Okay, which hormone increase fertility in male? That means the sex hormone in male. See, here it is given estrogen, testosterone, insulin, growth hormone, which is related with male sex hormone. Okay, male sex hormone, which is the male sex hormone. Okay, very good, very good. It is testosterone. Okay, the male sex hormone is testosterone, which increase the fertility in male. Testosterone increase the fertility in male. See, testosterone helps to develop the secondary sexual characters. Okay, testosterone helps to produce the secondary sexual character and also for the production of sperm. Okay, also for the production of sperm in testes. So, it is related with the fertility in male. Testosterone is the male sex hormone which helps to increase the fertility in male. And what about estrogen? Estrogen is the female sex hormone. Okay, female sex hormone is estrogen, which helps to produce the ovum in ovary and also secondary sexual characters in female. Insulin, that is not at all related with any part here. Insulin, we have learned that, which reduce the blood sugar level, and growth hormone, that is related with growth. So the correct option is testosterone. The correct option is testosterone. Very good. All are commenting the correct answer. Very good. Okay. Next question. Which of the following endocrine gland is unpaired? Okay. Which of the following endocrine gland is unpaired? Which gland is unpaired? Which gland is unpaired here? See, adrenal gland is there, testis, pituitary and ovary. Which gland is unpaired? See, comment your answers very fast. Okay. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Vanessa. Very good, very good. Unpaired gland. Unpaired gland. It is? Very good. All are commenting the correct answer. It is pituitary. It is pituitary. See. See here. Adrenal gland. That is a paired gland. That is situated above each kidney. Okay. That is situated above each kidney. We have a pair of adrenal glands. And testis. That is also a pair of testes in male. Ovary, that is also paired. A pair of ovaries we have. So, it is pituitary gland. It is pituitary gland that is unpaired. Other three, all three are paired glands. So, it is pituitary. Let's see the next question. Junction between two neurons is called. Junction between two neurons. Okay, we have learnt it from the first question. What is the junction between two neurons? You remember? Comment your answers if you remember. Okay, it is. What is the junction between two neurons? Yeah, very good. It is option D. Option D. Synapse. Synapse is the microscopic junction. Okay, synapse is the microscopic junction between two neurons. Okay, synapse is the microscopic junction between two neurons. So it is option D, synapse. Okay, very good. Samir, Finin, yeah, and Anna. Okay, Anna, Ijo. Okay. So, next question. Are you ready? Next question. We'll do it fast, okay? We'll do maximum questions within 1 hour. In humans, life process are controlled and regulated by. In humans, life process are controlled and regulated by. Here we have reproductive and endocrine system, respiratory and nervous system, endocrine and digestive system, nervous and endocrine system. Which of these four options control and regulate our life processes? Different life process. It is, comment your answers, it is? Yeah, very good, very good. All are commenting option D. Yeah, nervous and endocrine system. Nervous system by sending impulses. Endocrine system by producing hormones. It regulate, it control all our life process. So, it is option D. Option D, nervous and endocrine system. Nervous and endocrine system. Let's do the next question. Are you ready? Okay. See this chart. Select the row containing incorrect information. You have to select the row which contain the incorrect information. which contain the incorrect information here. See, here we have endocrine glands, a list of endocrine glands are given, and the next row it is functions of hormone that is secreted by this particular gland is given. You have to select the incorrect information from this. You have to select the incorrect information. Okay, see here, thyroid gland is there that regulates carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism. Is that correct? Thyroid gland regulate carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism? Yes, thyroid, it is the function of thyroid gland, right? It is the function of thyroid gland which regulate carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism. So, it is thyroid gland. Okay, so that option is correct. Now, pituitary gland regulates growth and development of the body. Is that option correct? Yes, pituitary gland releases the hormone. Which hormone is released by pituitary gland? Previous questions we learned it. Which hormone is released by pituitary gland? It is? Which hormone is released by pituitary gland? Comment your answer. Which hormone is released by pituitary gland? It is growth hormone, right? It is growth hormone. It is growth hormone which is released by pituitary gland. So, it regulates growth and development of the body. Yeah, very good. Growth hormone. Shabnur. Okay, Shabnur, very good. It is growth hormone. And Mary, it's growth hormone. Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah. So, pituitary gland regulates growth and development. That is good. Pancreas, increasing blood sugar level. Is that option correct? Pancreas, increasing blood sugar level. What we learnt in the previous questions. Pancreas release a hormone which increase the blood sugar level, or it is the function of pancreas to increase the blood sugar level? No, right? So, this option is wrong. Adrenal gland, increasing heart rate. That option is also correct. Okay. Adrenal gland release the hormone adrenaline. Okay. Adrenal gland release the hormone adrenaline. That is called the stress hormone. Okay. Stress hormone that increase heartbeat, breathing rate, etc. Okay, so here adrenal gland increase heartbeat. So which row containing incorrect information? Which row contains the incorrect information? Yeah, it is option C. Option C contains the incorrect information, that is pancreas increasing blood sugar levels. Pancreas increasing the blood sugar level. Okay, very good. Good response. Let's do the next one. Are you ready? Okay. See, look at the figure below and identify the structure labeled incorrectly. Identify the structure labeled incorrectly. So let's see this figure. Which figure is this? Which figure is this? It's a neuromuscular junction. Why it is a neuromuscular junction? Here you can see the nerve endings. Okay, this is the neuron and this one is a muscle fiber. Okay, so the junction, it is the junction between a neuron and a muscle fiber. It is a neuromuscular junction. It is a neuromuscular junction. See the, okay, see the labeled part. What is this? What is this? What is labeled here? Okay, this one. A neuromuscular junction, right? It is a neuromuscular junction. Junction between a nerve ending and muscle fiber. Okay, now this is correct. This option is correct. Now B, axon. Yes, it is axon. It is axon. This is correct. Now C, muscle fiber. Okay, this is muscle fiber. That is also correct. Now see here D, dendrite. Is it dendrite? Is it dendrite? Is it a dendrite? Do you think it is a dendrite? No, it is a capillary. This one is a capillary. Here you are seeing is a capillary. So which is the wrong option? Here it is D. D is the wrong option. So it is option D. The correct answer is option D. Okay. Very good. Very good. Let's do the next question. Are you ready? Okay. So, given below are 4 statements regarding endocrine glands and hormones. Okay. Here, there are some statements given regarding the endocrine glands and hormones. Select the correct statement. You have to select the correct statement. Here, hormones are secreted by endocrine glands. Is that correct? Yes, hormones are secreted by endocrine gland. That is the definition of hormone. What are hormone? The chemicals secreted by endocrine glands are called hormones. So, the statement is correct. Some endocrine glands secrete hormones in response to other hormones. Have you heard about that? Some endocrine glands secrete hormones in response to other hormones. Yes, there are tropic hormones. Okay, what are they? They are tropic hormones. Tropic hormones. Okay. There are tropic hormones which stimulate other glands, okay, which stimulate other glands to secrete hormones, okay, which stimulate other glands to secrete hormones. For example, pituitary gland produces thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone. This thyroid stimulating hormone stimulate thyroid gland to release thyroxine. Okay, so there are hormones, or there are some hormones which stimulate other glands to secrete hormones. So this statement is also correct. Now see the third one. Hormones are required in large quantities. Do you think hormones are required in large quantities? Do you think hormones are required in large quantities? No, hormones are required very less, like very trace in their amount, very less. Okay, less amount is need to stimulate or raise or decrease some function. Okay, now see, this one is a wrong statement. Hormones are required in large quantities. Now see the fourth one. Many hormones are controlled by some form of feedback mechanism. What is feedback mechanism? What is feedback mechanism? You know that when your sugar level goes high, pancreas produces insulin to reduce the sugar level. This mechanism is called feedback mechanism. So there are feedback mechanism. Many hormones are controlled by some form of a feedback mechanism. So that is also correct. So what is the question? Given below are 4 statements regarding endocrine gland. Select the correct statement. You have to select the correct statements. From here you can see the correct statements that are: first one is correct, second one is correct, Fourth one is correct. So which option? Option D. Very good. All are commenting the correct answer. Option D. Okay, very good. Very good, very good. Very good response, dear. Very good response. Okay. Keep it up. And it is only the second day of our MCQ squad. Now we have 14 more days waiting for you. Be online. Always watch our Brilliant Qatar online classes. We have the live stream always at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay. Be online always, and all the best. I'll be back with another chapter. Okay. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay. Bye. Bye bye.